All right, let's take a look at Ixl K.8. It says complete a table and graph a proportional relationship. So it says use the equation to complete the table below. The equation it gives us is y equals 2x. And that means y will equal 2 times x. Okay, there's an imaginary multiplication symbol between the 2 and the x. So for each one of these, you're going to take your value that it gives you for x and put it in, substitute it for x in this equation. Okay, so the first one would be 2 times x, which is now 2. So that would give me 4. Okay. Then the next one would be 3 times 2. So I'm going to put 3 in for x. So that would give me 6. I'm going to be multiplying each of these x values by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. And 5 times 2 is 10. Then after I'm done, I'm going to graph this on the graph they provide. You're going to choose any 2 points from the table. So I'm going to choose 4, 8, and 2, 4. And I'm going to graph these on the graph below. Remember, 2, 4, 2, 4 means I'm going to go right 2 and up 4. Right 2 and up 4, and I place a point there. Okay? 4, 8 means I'm going to go, I didn't mean to do that, go right 4 and up 8. Okay, so I think I have to fix that last point. Nope, that's still right. I need to fix this one, 4, 8. And my line's all messed up now. Okay, so I have a point at 2, 4, and I have a point at 4, 8. The other points should also line up. So if you go over 5 and up 10, you can see that my line goes through that point up here, right here. And I'm ready to submit. That took a long time. All right, so this time, all our y values are going to be equal to our x values. So all of the y values are going to be exactly the same as my x values. And then I'm going to plot the points. So this time I'm going to plot 3, 3, and 4, 4. 3, 3. So that means I'm going to go right 3, up 3, and over right 4, up 4. And the line connects on its own after I plot the second point. All right. This time I'm going to take all of my x values and I'm going to be multiplying them by 4. So 0 times 4 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. And 2 times 4 is 8. Then I'm going to graph, and I'm going to graph 0, 0, and 2, 8 this time. I'm just randomly picking these points. It does not matter which one you plot. So 0, 0 is right there where that yellow dot is. I just plotted. And then 2, 8 would be right 2, up 8. All right, I'm glad we got a fraction this time. If you have a calculator, you can go ahead and just do this on your calculator. 4/5 times 0. So this time we're multiplying all of our x values by 0 or by 4/5 is going to give me 0. So that one's easy. So then if you have a calculator, go ahead and type in 4/5 and then you're going to multiply it by 5. I'm going to show you how to do it without a calculator. So 4/5 times 5 would be like 5 over 1 if I make 5 into a fraction. And then I multiply straight across. Numerator times numerator. 4 times 5 is 20. And 5 times 1 is 5. And 20 divided by 5 gives me 4. Okay? So now this time, I don't have 5. They gave me 10 as my x value. So 4 times 10 is 40, and 5 times 1 is 5. So this time I get 8. Because 40 divided by 5 gave me 8. So again, I'm ready to plot. I choose any two of the points that they gave you. I'm going to do 0, 0 because that one's easy, and then 5, 4. So I'm going to go right 5, up 4. I hope this helps you complete Ixl K.8.